Let's talk inflation, more specifically, how we can fight it in a very low risk type of way, which does need a little clarification because you can fight inflation. In fact, you can flat out pummel inflation. However, that is going to require more risk on your part. So if you're looking for more of a low risk type choice that's going to help you fight back, then that's what I want to focus on here. And there's nothing, in fact, I hope that this is very anti-climatic because it is very easy to do, but it's something that way too many people are not doing. And it's so easy to do, which allows you to fight back against inflation so much better. Now, before I get to the actual solution, let's look at a couple of examples of problems. The problems being, what do you do with your money? Whether you're trading it or investing it, but you're gonna have some money. And what you actually do with it in terms of, well, when you're saving it, when it's just sitting around, what sort of return are you getting? What sort of interest is being paid to you? So right here, we're looking at Bank of America, and let's just assume best case scenario. Let's say that you are able to meet their Diamond Honors requirements. How much are they paying you? 0.04%. Let's hop over here and take a look at Chase. How much is Chase paying you? 0.01%. Now, I really hope that I don't need to say much more. Those are terrible numbers for your cash just sitting in an account. To get 0.01% or best case Platinum Honors, whatever that Bank of America one was, 0.04%. That is absolutely terrible, especially when you compare it with what you could be doing, which again is very easy to do. So what I would recommend is to take a look at Webull and use the link down below and get into this program that they offer, which gives you, you're not seeing things, 5%. So coming down here, how does your cash management work? Like I said, 5%, not 0.05%, 5%, not 0.01%, 5%. That is massive. And as I say right there, which you just saw, more than 12 times the national deposit rate. Over here, low entry. I like how any deposit works. No fees. That's always a good thing. And then this is also critical, withdrawal at any time. And that withdrawal at any time is important because there are products out there such as a bank CD, certificate of deposit, where you can put your money for extended periods of time, but then things can kind of get squirrely. Can you pull it out if you need it all of a sudden, or are they going to hit you with a bunch of fees? But as you saw there, completely withdrawal whenever you want, no fees or anything like that. So I would encourage you to consider this. Is this the only way to go about it? No, there's other sorts of accounts, but given I know a lot of you that watch my channel are traders and investors, Webull is a trading platform, investing platform. So I think there's a lot of good synergies there that allow you to get so much better return on your money than 0.01% or 0.04%. Absolutely ridiculous. Now, this is always changing. So if you're watching this video, a year from now, maybe the 5% has gone up, maybe it's gone down. So this is a fluctuating, environment. But regardless, there are certainly very black and white solutions here when you compare, the bigger banks, Bank of America, Chase and so on, compared to what you can get with a program like this. So like I said, use that link down below. And the cool thing is not only are you going to get a great savings rate, but they're always running promotions. So they're either giving away money or free stocks and stuff like that. And I should also note that is an affiliate link. So if you use it, I will also get something. So I want to be very transparent about that. But hopefully I've given my case that I'm not just suggesting this, well, just because I get something. I try to show proof that, yeah, you're getting 5% compared to 0.01%. So that, it's not that I'm recommending it because, I get something. I'm recommending it because 5% is quite a bit bigger than 0.01%. So I hope this helps because yes, inflation is a monster. Inflation can be very annoying. And I would argue that anything that we can do to help battle against it, fight against it, especially in a very low risk way like this is, because it's not like your money is invested in anything, it's just sitting there, then I would say that that's a good choice to consider. So like I said, if you want to learn more about it, use that link down below so that you can also unlock the promotions and stuff like that they have to offer. So I hope this helps, but yeah, get out there and fight inflation in a very low risk way. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.